Francisco Nian Telanya Magnaye Gementisa Jr., also named as Mrs. Nian Telanya Magnaye Quezon the First. What will I say on my camera video is about Treaty of Law, of how it is exist on this 7 year of black magic. So, when it comes to Treaty of Law, it starts October year 2017. I am on house during that moment. And then on social media, it is about speak of Donald Trump on White House and then doing such on hand gesture. And then I am on the house. During I am on the house that I say about Treaty of Law, on my mind is Alex Jr. ko. Alex Jr. ko and then Lloyd Dimson Salviejo is talking. They talks on the classroom, inside of the classroom of school, during high school days. And then Alex Jr. ko knows about Treaty of Law. When it comes onto Treaty of Law, that he knows is he say it as well during on my mind. And then a few days after that specific day during October, father of Alex Jr. ko says, hindi yun sa'yo. May nagmamay-ari nun. In English, it is not yours. There is a specific person that belongs it. And then, what he say, the father of Alex Jr. ko, is right eye. Sabi niya, he say, and then, what else could I say? On my imagination, the portion that I imagine is the location on at the back of the school of where the barangay Katuparan is at on. That is the location of my imagination of an eye when I say Treaty of Law. Why do I say Treaty of Law? It is on Donald Trump's speech on White House, such as question, and then I answer it of such as treaty, a treaty of law, such that is my recommendation. And then, what else? October 2017, I have business in law subject. That is why my thinking process is about law, such that. Business in law. Not boastful. Timik is me. What else? So that is year 2017. Now, I will talk about year 2018. So, on year 2018, about Treaty of Law, there is person that interferes, meaning to say, not part of my life, but interferes on the use of black magic. And then, that person tends to English of pinakialaman, tends to tends to pinakialaman in English, tends to tends to I'm not I'm not talking here. I am thinking of the English word of pinakialaman. I feel irritating here. Tends to uh, what is the moment during that day, specific day, year 2018? The person talks as tends to talks about talks about Treaty of Law. Wait lang. Year 2018 is me. Pinakialaman in English. Tends to pinakialaman in English, descriptive, tends to do something about it without permission. Yan. So, year 2018, there is person that interferes about Treaty of Law. When it comes into Treaty of Law, interferes, uh, myself is being put on talking. What my initial talking about Treaty of Law uh, is to have an effect of peacefulness. That is my initial thinking process. Wait, that is on year 2019. Wait, what else on year 2018? Treaty of Law. Should I say this? Why? Gemaline Cantor Gonzalez tends to destroy it. The portion that the doing of her to destroy the Treaty of Law is about her father, and then she is talking of such as uh, that is to herself even though that is mine, and then her father is only she is putting on front so that myself be destroyed. When it comes onto her father, her father is dead already. So that is the situation during year 2018. And then uh, my memory is on front of barangay hall, and then she has plan. Gemaline Cantor Gonzalez has plan of something to kills me. I not know. So that myself could not talk. And then what she say is, wala na. Yak kadiri. I feel ill whenever I say of what they say. Yak kadiri. Of what they putting on right eye, right forehead, right ear. Yung, wala na, yak kadiri. In English, it is none already. There is person that wins. Something such that. And then, on year 2018, she knows that I have boyfriend on that situation. I not want to talk. I want specific about treaty of law. Why I want specific? Because she tends to destroy it. A while ago, what is being clingy is about putting myself on craziness. And then now, they is trying to uh, attach Alex Jr. ko, which is my boyfriend. So, that is year 2018. I need to focus on Treaty of Law because I am serious in there. Nice. Oh. Not want to talk at the moment. I'll talk now. Year 2018, what else? My talking about Treaty of Law on year 2018 is English speaking. English speaking, my initial as well is to the four continent being connects to each other. Europe, America, Africa, Asia, such that my initial when it comes Treaty of Law. Initial thinking process. When I think of it, it is left forehead. Why left forehead? Because of I am doing something on inside of the house, of which is it is in here. Writing wait lang. Specific. I am using phone during that moment. Wait. I not use phone year 2018. Month of it is year 2018. March. March 2018. At the moment I am talking, there is person that tends to destroy myself on talking. The person on the right eye and then right ear does not want me to talk, eh, and then putting me on fast mode. Peacefulness. My mouth says peacefulness, but myself says connects to each other. Peacefulness about it. There is no voice on my ear during that moment, even the sound that I hear at this moment. Peacefulness. It is being said during that moment, peacefulness. And then the next is on myself connects to each other, of which is Europe, America, Africa, and Asia. Next is naan kaya? Hmm. What else is the next? Treaty of law. I say as well, I I answer when it comes onto Donald Trump's speech about of what he is on speech. And then uh, the 2019 already. The 2019. No, year 2019 already about Treaty of Law. During on year 2019, my self talks inside the bedroom. At this moment, they tends to destroy it. May talking because of palakpak daw. My ear is swallow because they talks, which is angry. Yes ka. Year 2019, I talk on English dialecto about Treaty of Law. May once on front of world map on my lap on top of my bed. I am talking. It is 2 o'clock in the morning or 12 o'clock in the morning. I am 2 hours on talking. 2 hours of talking about Treaty of Law. It is about Treaty of Law, none other of person. And then I am saying about Wubin, about it, Wubin, na about Wubin. When it comes to Wubin, and I want to talk at the moment, I want to focus on Treaty of Law. Hmm. If I save such of what is being clingy, what will happen? Clingy, being attached, myself is being target at the moment of bad person. What is clinginess? On Barangay Hall, on the portion on my talking in here, Barangay Hall, wait lang. When I describe the Treaty of Law, it is synchronous, meaning to say from start, from start to the flow is first, second, third, fourth, fifth, such that. And then on that about Treaty of Law, there is interferes over in myself at the moment I am talking, I am being target of Gemali Encantor Gonzalez. I not know why. And then I could feel chest pain. I need to focus on Treaty of Law because myself is as well being killed. That is why I need to focus on Treaty of Law only. Aray ko. Back pain. Next is back pain at the same time. My chest is on pumping. I not think of them. What else on year 2019? Mm, that is during what else during year 2019? Month is what I am thinking. October as well? It is October? I not know why such that. I just love only Alex Jr. ko. When it comes onto courtship of Alex Jr. ko, myself is number, no letter yet. So this month of October, the right eye says antok daw, sleepy. My eye is sleepy. I am talking in the 12 in the morning to 2 o'clock in the morning. Why? I feel during year 2019, homeschool. And then only 2 count or 3 count is my subject. That is why I talk. Daldal. Oh, talkative. Ex- extraction. I'm not sip-sip utak. I am college degree. Accountancy, then business analyst. I shift on business analyst. I not complete the accountancy. On accountancy, 9 count or 11 count is my subject. Remaining. What else? Should I say Alhambra? I am watching that during year 2019. I will say, should I say about that is not on this portion to say that craziness is being clingy. Those clingy is what will I say? The clingy that is being attached when I talk on Treaty of Law is craziness, and then Alex Junior ko, and then that is on Barangay Hall when I talk in here, year 2018. While I talk in here because there is person that I during that moment, during this moment that I am talking. And then during year 2019, the right ear talks of saying Rubin, being clingy, being attached. And then, what else? What will I say is memories of Alhambra. That is what I watched during year 2019 during my leisure time. So what else could I say? Treaty of Law is what I want to focus. After year 2019 of talking, 12 o'clock in the morning to 2 o'clock in the morning, myself is talking about Treaty of Law, year 2021. On year 2021, I am on already on formation on the content of the Treaty of Law. And then there is two count. Right? The first count is a piece of paper, and then the second count I write it on the back of the notebook. The first count, the piece of paper is being I not know why I could not hide it on my bedroom. It is being get of a specific person. And then the next is what I have in here is the written on pencil about Treaty of Law content. I will show it. That is year 2021. It is readable. January 2021 it is. It is not pencil, it is ball pen. I feel shy, but I need to talk so that myself be understood. No. So what the first is alphabet. When it comes into alphabet, what my treaty of law about is words, meaning to say uh, proper usage of words, of which is teacher could do such that, and then on a specific department of such as government. This is year 2021. I am just inside of my bedroom. I am not boastful. I am not on a situation of uh, being famous. I talk. What do I think of? This is inside. Idea. I need to explain it as well. I not know. Timid ko. I need to talk. I need to say this one. So when it comes into alphabet, proper usage of words, and then mm, it is insight pa lamang, insight, meaning to say on written form. It is on written form. So that is on alphabet. And then, wait lang. And then when it comes to alphabet, Department of Education, it is being teach on school, such that. Hinay-hinay ka. Ayos lang. And then the next is number. Number two is number. When it comes into number, it is peso bill and peso coin. This one written on top. Myself does not the person who writes it. I not know who is that who writes it. I not say letter B, letter I, letter T, letter C, letter H. I not know. I not say bad word. Hmm. Let me explain first before something so that I could explain completely because myself as well is being killed. Because myself is being killed. That's it from there. At the moment, they not want me to talk. So, on number two, it is number. When it comes into number, it is about peso bill and peso coin, of which is uh, the the form of money, the look of it, the the design of it, and then existence of it, which is color. On myself, it is red, orange, yellow, blue, violet, black and white. So six paper bill, peso bill. Red is 20, yellow, orange is 50, orange 50, yellow is 100, no, 100, and then 200 is Oh, there is 1.5. 1.5 on peso bill. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet, black and white. So, 7 color. So, the red, the red color is 20. The orange color is 50. The yellow color is 100. The green color is 200. The the blue color is 500. And then the violet color is 1,000. And then the black and white with black and white, black and green, black and white is 1,500. That is my peso bill that I am thinking during year 2021. And then when it comes into peso coin, 1, 5, 15. And then uh, 1, 5, 10, 15, and then 4 only there is. 4 only. 4, 1, 5, 10, 15, wait. I don't know why such this. What? This is mine. Let me explain it. Yeah, not in here. 1, 5, 10, 15, 4. There is another one. It is 5 coin. I think. No idea. Pentagon is me when it comes onto coin shape, not circle. Pentagon because star shape. Happy, happy. I want to explain it. Why there is person angry? Talk lang talk. I will talk. Right? Ay, dito. Bastos kayo pala mukha mo. Kakadili. Maybe it is in here. And then in here. Peso coin. Contradiction peso bill. 20, 20, 90, 50, 100, 200, 500, 1,000, 1,500. 4 only there is. Why? This one is the coin. 1 peso, 5 peso, 10 peso, 15 peso. This one, ay naunt dani ka. Mine is mine. Mine is mine. It is my intellectual capability. Myself is being killed. I am serious that myself is being killed. I need help from other country. Year 2021, myself is being put on Tenga mode just at home. They is killing me. Aray ko, ang sakit. They is hurting my back of chest. It is. Focus is metric of law. One, 5, 10, 15. I think that is 4. 1, 5, 10, 15. Aray. My chest is being hurt. And then it is aray ko, chest pain at the moment. What else is written in here? And then the written in here of such as government officials. It is about bangko, finance. Oh, wait na. August man this one. January this is. So I write this June. June 23, 2021. It is being site. This one, June 23, 2021. And then this one is August 8, 2021. It is just on Connects. No. It is not on Connects. This one is such as whenever I have nothing to do inside of the house, me and Alex Jr. ko. And then when myself is already on the house of Alex ko. And then when it comes onto in here, it is such as to level the of numbering that I put in here. So when it comes into peso bill and peso coin and then government officials, those person that will such as ano ang tutok the moment. Akin next to. The person that will do of such as peso billion peso coin is about bangko. Bangko. And then I put in here teacher. Theorem is vague when it comes onto mathematics. Because when it comes into mathematics, I have insights even on college, such as percentage, decimal point, and then Pythagor, and then algo. The kabit at the moment is talking, angry. Myself is suffocates at the moment. Kabit number 2. I say I will explain it so that it could be understood. So when it comes into theorem, is vague. This is wait lang. Decimal point percentage is during year 2021. Myself is on statistics, basic mathematics statistics subject. There, I notice about decimal point and then percentage when it comes onto written on form. That is what I put as well in here. Theorem is vague because I could not parang there it is such as there is logic reasoning on myself when it comes onto uh, when it comes onto mathematics. When it comes into the word theorem, my cousin go to house and then homeschool. During that moment, theorem on mathematics is such as algebra expression, such that. So number 3 already is me. So on number 3, it is surroundings. When it comes into surroundings, I am serious in here, and then sleepy is my eye. I am smiley. When it comes into surroundings, I am thinking of to beautify the surroundings being site, building that is not being used of such as being wait lang, English. Parang the abandoned building will be do of such as destroy it and then will as the land will for sale such that word specific is what I say on that surroundings number 3 it is. And then the next is this one, number 4, for continent govern people on earth. And that is what I name it, people on earth. Wait lang. There is, I put serial blood number and then PSA about it. The next is number 5. release of, should I say about four continent govern? I discussed it about that statistic. Time ko, minus my, the vice president is Lingars. I am explaining it. It is just a paper yet. So when it comes to serial number, I put in his serial blood number and then PSA for, because it is included for continent govern of such as uh, when it comes onto adoption, adopt kids, those person that is looking for their parents. I feel chest pain at the moment and then sleepy. I already say, wait lang. Those voices on my right ear is such as putting me on negativity vibes of such as I am happy writing this, and then they is putting me on angriness, sadness because of they is bad person. So on this camera video of myself, I already say uh, about card is wait, I feel sleepy. Aray ko. 53 minutes and 16 seconds. He's putting me on shame. He's putting me on shame. Those person on my ear, they not want me to talk about it. Yeah. Nabastos ako. I am 29-year-old already. I am doing such this because I am sleepy. I say about four continent govern already. I am on number 5 release of IC, meaning identification card, usage this right. Yan. IC is with a initial word abbreviation in there because of identification. Letter I is initial and then card is letter C initial. That is why I see. It is mine. It is mine. And yet, while I am looking on it, it is being gate of the right eye. I not know why. Myself is being put on Tenga mode just at home. What it is about? Uh, the person that uses black magic is putting me on Tenga mode. And then, hindi pa ako nagiging masaya. Relax ko. Ayan nga, the person. What else could I say? When I say release of IC identification card, uh, it is when the for continent government is already finished, when already exists, then it is release of identification card. And the next is number 6, technology. Is technology. So on technology proper usage, meaning to say when it comes into a specific country, the technology is being up to date. Yun, that is the proper usage. Why? Ayan na, they feel excitement. But I am the person that talks, which is, it is excitement, feeling. Mine is mine. I am Korean. Mine is mine. Proper usage. The existence of technology when it comes onto um, such as W, not W, such that ay need talaga. Hmm. I am explaining of the content of my treaty of law. Wait. I am near to, it is count of 11. Wait, I am on number 6. So on the bank, percentage, when it comes into percentage is the computation, such as if it is 10%, 0.10, or is it 0.010, such that what is on myself thinking process logically, my thinking process is it is 0.10. That is why it is uh, DC. Chemical 0.10, 10%. If it is 10%, 0.10 or 0.010, something such that. That is my insight. I'm accountancy student before. Next is, this is my insight. Let's go. Next is tracker technology. When it comes into tracker technology, it is such as on gadgets. My tracker tech, the tracker technology that I think of is gadgets. The input on gadgets or what's my thinking myself is feels bully. An hour and 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Tracker technology of myself. It is on the gadgets of such as bracelet, wristwear, or, or such as uh, wristwear. That is my tracker technology thinking process. That is my assignment on entrepreneurship month of June 2021. When it comes into tracker technology, I not know during year 2021 if it is already exists the tracker technology or not. That is why when I write it, it is such this number 5 assignment. This is my assignment on entrepreneurship. Next is built-in Wi-Fi. When it comes into built-in Wi-Fi, this is my what I call invention, my thinking process built-in Wi-Fi. Mm, My feeling at the moment is sleepy and then happy. The goal of this treaty of law of myself is such as beautification on a specific country, beautification, such as uh, at the moment myself does not want to talk. It is such as putting the country on a situation of 20th century vibes. Haka niya, relax ka. Nambabastos sila. As in built-in Wi-Fi, it is long talking because of um, internet existence. Mm, Let me finish this talking. The at the moment the wordings is greedy, but this is treaty of law. My, I am part of community and college degree, and then myself is being killed. And then this is my thinking process. Mine is mine. The bad person, the kabit tends to say palit. Number 7, palit is Tagalog word in English word change. Not them. Mine's mine. During year 2021, the usage of phone on myself is school, uh, Microsoft Teams only. So I not tends to browse. Did I say at 2019 there is 2019? So number 7 na. So number 7, government minimization is what I uh, put on Treaty of Law. The president will talk to other president directly. This one, number 7. This one is the numbering. Number 7. Minimization. Minimization. The, the sector. Minimization. Why? I am Korean. Reason I cite it. Uh, Huge amount of money being allocated, and then there is so many, and then sometimes redundant is the title talaga, such as it has something on food and drugs. Tahimik ko, I am just college degree, and then department DTI, what correlation it is. the process. I not know. I am just college degree. My thinking process is specific, literal. So, in here, government organization. Wait, the next is when I am thinking of this treaty of law, myself is not thinking of them. I am just inside the bedroom and then writing. So it is insights. But do not angry. I'm not bossy, not boastful. Fixed rate of working. Oh, the military and police knows the the economy flow. Why? Because of trading. Meron ng ganun. Ay, na. Tahimik ka. Next is facility. This one. When it is about facilities and sovereign state, reason reason about this treaty of law. Alive is me. Reason of this. I feel sad. Cry. Facilities and sovereign state. Meaning of it is the surroundings. The surroundings is mm, oh. The surroundings and sovereign state. Sovereign state is country. I cite the word on taxation book during accountancy year 2015. I use that word when it comes to word things and country word. Especially for my baby. Right? Yeah. I like it. Next is yun, sector. This one. This word. Sector. When it comes into sector, proper course. If the course is on accountancy, then an accountancy field. Such that why? Mm, because of my perspective of view when it is on college degree is the person they tends to not on specific course. Wait. So the next is Treaty of Law. All country export and import. I already discussed of the Treaty of Law. Hmm. Wait, what this is the content? This is the other content, the second paper. The piece of paper is being I not sight on my bedroom. So Treaty of Law or country. Hinay of country. Treaty of Law. Export and import. Next, this number 8, I am near on finish na ante. So the number 8 is already about me and Alex Jr. co-op such as forming a family. During year 2021, myself on Talking Talking is being says about relatives blood. When it comes to relatives blood, if they is truthfulness, relative, family relative, such that. Wait, I just drink juice. When I write it, 9:58 in the morning. And then a top child. Takata. Number 8. This is an adopt child. It is one. When it comes into adopt child, myself is during year 2021 is careness. Careness on adopt child of such as their basic needs around the world. Around the world. When it comes into reveals it. Ito ko to. Wait lang, wait lang. Wait, wait. Why? When it comes into adopt child on number 8, it is connects on in here. Serial number. Serial number. Blood number. It is existence of blood so to indicate on a family that they is blood relates. So it is an serial blood number. So even their blood has number. Ayun, to indicate that they is family. That is in here about the child. And then when it comes to the child, it is being doing of authorized personnel when it comes onto looking for their family. And then when I am such that it is around the world. It is around the world because of this one birth certificate. The birth certificate I I tend as well to create a birth certificate. My vibes during year 2021, there is nothing to do inside of the house. I am just in my bedroom and then homeschool. My subject is only one count. That is why I am talkative. And then, there is something vague. Vague. I need to think of this word. I know this word. This word though. I really say it. Letter C, letter A, letter M, letter P, letter O. What is being in there? During adopt child and myself, what is another talking is being put the kids on camouflage. And then there is part of talking. So meaning to say during year 2021 myself is talking and then yeah, and then there is a portion of TikToks of such as black magic. There is being says of Pope Francis if it I not know. Temiko Pope Francis what it is about wedding at Europa. During it is being says I not know what is happening. Why? Because of the specific bobo camouflage. That is putting the situation on Tenga mode just at home and then harassment. Day is on eroticness. Eroticness. Day is. Not adoption home center. But the number 8 is already not part of Treaty of Law. So it is only on number 7. But what I write in here is 1 to 11. Come on, let me just see that. I not usually say that word. Letter C, letter A, letter M, letter P, letter O. I not say that word. Next, I rarely say it. Number 9, holidays and celebration around the world. Chibugan Party Party White Sake. When it comes into holidays and celebration around the world, it is such as it is such as uh, the list of holidays and celebration on around the world. Why is it around the world? Why it is not on a specific country? Why such that if it is me and Alex Jr. ko, it is conflict. But if it is inside, it is such as uh, such as synchronous. Why? Bakit? I need to. Next is number 10. Myself is thinking, telling Alex Jr. ko over to residence. And then number 11, I need to know everything about what is happening on 7 Year Black Magic because myself is, I not know what is happening. But on myself, I write such this. This is mine. Mine it is. Mine. So the treaty of law of myself that I say is the number and the notebook. The piece of paper on the first count is I could not say it because I not know of where it is already. I not know what is I put in the no. That is what I put in the such that or what I say. I will talk now. So when it comes into the Treaty of Law of Queen Elizabeth II, I not read it. I not know about it. What it is. Myself is thinking, is it coincidence or there is something person that is uh, putting me on situation now? No, no, putting me on situation. Or there is a person that is naon to stop. Wait, naantok ko. Is it coincidence? There is Treaty of Law as well of Queen Elizabeth II. Year, I not know the year. I just only know royal family, year 2021. Truthfulness, only year 2021. I know. I just cite their faces. royal family. Coincidence there is? Coincidence? I don't know. But my treaty of law is such that what else could I say? Nothing more about treaty of law. There is more. This is year 2024. On year 2024, I start to say treaty of law of such as country to country of wherein such as Korea, treaty of law on India, such that on my mind, very wrong that is, very wrong. Whenever myself has moment, what is Africa, treaty of law on Philippines, such that, and then what else? Taiwan, treaty of law to Philippines, such that is myself on treaty of law. Oh, this person tends to not letting me to have a baby. What else could I say? It is 1 hour and 38 minutes and 46 seconds. I am on the funeral of the Queen. Why is it brown, not black color? I don't know. It is black color on my panaginip. I am on the right side of the church. And then, I go, the altar is something weird. I, message that, not know. Color black it is. Silky black. The coffin during the moment. 100, not yet, not yet dead is the queen. 100 she is. It is being says on Bible. Holy Bible. 100. On myself, Holy Bible is about personal life already. That moment. That is on my panaginip. Ilocos. Ilocos. And I want to behave. That's what they say. They already doing that. Treaty of North Korea and India about words. Line about line. I cite ang dictionary. And no, if you cry, I'm Korean. No, no. I am sick. Tukutok. My dog. I like Snow White. Can Alex go? What else could they say? Patient Petit. None already about Treaty of Law. That is what like 1 hour and 53 minutes and 52 seconds.